In this video, we're going to take a look at a pressurized water reactor, also called a PWR. We'll take a look at a PWR nuclear power station. I'll show you all of the main components and I'll show you how it works. This is our containment building. If we have radioactive leaks, we want all of the radiation, all of the radioactive material to stay within this dome, within this sealed space. You can see the border where my mouse is going along now, and all the way up here. The containment building is constructed of steel reinforced concrete. It's going to be about 1 to 1.5 meters thick, let's say 3 to 5 feet thick, and it is gas tight. So any leakage within the containment building is going to be contained within the containment building. At the heart of our PWR power plant is a nuclear reactor. That's the item at the center of the screen. Around the nuclear reactor, we have steam generators. It's these cream items over here. There's actually 4 of them. 2 are shown here, and you can see 2 on the other side. We've got the nuclear reactor, within which we have a core where our nuclear reaction takes place. It's a fission reaction, which means atoms are split. The opposite of this would be a fusion reaction where atoms are combined. This reaction generates heat. Here is our reactor coolant pump, RCP. It's probably one of the largest types of pump that you're ever likely to see. The impeller itself looks very similar to a Francis turbine, if you've ever seen one of those. The fluid, in this case liquid, is drawn into the center of the impeller. Let's just put that into motion. It's drawn into the center of the impeller, and then we're going to throw or discharge the fluid outwards, and this is what we term a mixed flow impeller. Here's our steam generator. Here's the hot leg. So we've got the heated primary coolant coming along here, going into the base of our steam generator. Then it's going to travel upwards. So let's go up to the top here. It's going to loop around. You can see that the heat exchanger has this loop shape, this sort of bowed shape. This is a U-bend. So it's going to come up, around, and then down. It's going to be within the tubes and then pass out through the cold leg.